What would happen if your income vanished tomorrow? Would it be a minor inconvenience or a full-blown catastrophe? For most people, it's the second one. But not for you. Not after today. Because today, you're not just going to learn about money. You are going to build a financial fortress, a shield that protects you and your family from the chaos of life. Welcome back to Clever Money Hacks, the place where you transform from a worrier into a financial warrior. In this video, I'm giving you the exact step-by-step blueprint I would use to build a $10,000 emergency fund from absolute scratch in 2025. We're going to cover the mindset, the strategy, the accounts, and the actions you need to take to build your foundation of financial security. Are you ready to build your fortress? Let's get started. All right, before we lay the first brick, a quick but crucial reminder. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always conduct your own thorough research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any financial decisions. So why is an emergency fund the absolute, non-negotiable first step in any wealth journey? Simple. It's the buffer between you and life's emergencies. Without it, a single unexpected car repair, medical bill, or job loss can force you into high-interest debt, derailing your financial goals for years. An emergency fund isn't an investment to make you rich. It's insurance against going backward. It buys you peace of mind. It buys you options. It is the foundation upon which your entire financial empire will be built. Okay, let's get into the blueprint. Step 1 is a critical mindset shift. You must define what an emergency truly is and what it is not. An emergency is a job loss, a sudden medical crisis, or an urgent home or car repair. An emergency is not a last-minute vacation, a sale on a new TV, or a fancy dinner. You must be ruthless in protecting this fund. It is your financial lifeline. Seal it off mentally from your regular spending. Step 2. Where do you put this money? You do not leave it in your regular checking account where it can be easily spent. You need to put it somewhere safe, liquid, but separate. The best tool for this in 2025 is a high-yield savings account, or HISA. These are online savings accounts that pay significantly higher interest rates than traditional brick-and-mortar banks, allowing your emergency fund to grow while it sits there. It keeps your money safe, accessible within a day or two, and working for you. Step 3 is the action plan. How do you go from $0 to $10,000? We launch a two-pronged attack. We decrease expenses and we increase income. First, we must plug the leaks in our current spending. This is where you go on the hunt for what I call silent money drainers. We covered this in detail in our previous video, where I showed you how to find and destroy hidden fees and wasteful subscriptions. It's the perfect first step to freeing up cash for your emergency fund, and I'll link that video for you. Second, you find ways to temporarily boost your income. This could be selling things you no longer need, picking up extra shifts, or starting a simple freelance side hustle. Every extra dollar you earn during this phase is a missile aimed directly at your $10,000 goal. Before we get to the final, most important step, if you're feeling empowered to build your own financial security, take 1 second and hit that like button. It's a signal that this mission is resonating with you. And comment below, what is the biggest financial emergency you worry about most? Let's see what our community is focused on protecting themselves from. And now, the final and most crucial step. Step 4. Automate everything. You cannot rely on willpower alone. You must make your success automatic. Set up an automatic transfer from your paycheck or checking account to your high-yield savings account every single week or month. It doesn't have to be a huge amount to start. The key is to make it happen without you thinking about it. Automation is the ultimate clever hack. It removes emotion and ensures you are consistently building your fortress, brick by brick, without fail. So, that's the blueprint. A mindset shift, the right account, a two-pronged attack on expenses and income, and ruthless automation. Building a $10,000 emergency fund from scratch is not easy, but it is simple. It is achievable. It is the single most powerful step you can take, starting today. to move from a position of financial fear to a position of financial power. The security and peace of mind it provides are priceless. If you are committed to building your financial fortress and taking control, show that commitment by hitting that like button. And if you want more powerful blueprints for your financial life, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Finally, let me know in the comments, what is the first action step you will take towards building your emergency fund after watching this video? Thanks so much for joining us today on Clever Money Hacks. Our mission is to provide you with high quality and valuable information to help you take control of your financial future, one smart decision at a time. Make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications on, because we're always working on new content to bring you more clever money hacks and actionable financial tips and tricks right here on Clever Money Hacks. Until then, stay secure and keep making those clever money moves. Bye for now.